Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of TypeScript. In this video, we will cover the prerequisites, the installation process, setting up your development environment, and writing your first TypeScript code. So let's get started. Before we jump in, let's talk about the prerequisites. To get the most out of TypeScript, you should have a basic understanding of JavaScript. This includes knowing about variables, functions, loops, and ES6 features like arrow function, classes, and modules. Next, we jump into installation process. For that, first we install node.js in our system. So in my browser, I search for node.js, press enter, and here you can see I get this link, node.js run JavaScript everywhere. Simply click on this link and we jump into this page, and you can see here I get our download node.js button. You simply click on this button, your node.js setup will be downloaded successfully. After downloading this node.js setup, you simply run this setup and install in your system. And once node.js install in your system, simply go to command prompt and here write this command node-v and press enter, and here you get version of your node.js. Once you get the version of node.js, that means your node.js will be successfully installed in your system. After that, we install a VS Code editor in our system for writing TypeScript code. So I close this command prompt and go to a new tab, and simply here I write VS Code editor, and you get this link, Visual Studio Code editing redefined. Simply click on this link and then you go to this website and simply click on download for window button, and your VS Code editor will be downloaded successfully. And when it's downloaded, install it in your system. And when your VS Code editor will be installed, simply open this. So I go to this folder, and here you can see I create a folder TypeScript, and here I use a right click and open with code, and here my code editor will be open successfully. Now it's time to install TypeScript in our system. For that, I go to our browser and open a new tab, and here write TypeScript. Simply click on this link, TypeScript JavaScript with syntax for types. Then click on this download button and scroll down, and here we install TypeScript globally in our system, because when we create another project, we don't need to install again and again TypeScript in our system for a separate project. So for that, we install TypeScript globally in our system. For that, we use this command npm install -g and TypeScript. Copy this and go to a VS Code editor, and I open a terminal, and here I paste the command and press enter. And here you can see my TypeScript will be installed successfully in our system. For checking TypeScript is successfully installed or not in your system, simply write tsc and -v. Press enter, and here you can see I get the version of TypeScript 5.5.2. That means our TypeScript successfully installed in our system. So next, we write our first program in our TypeScript. For that, I open Explorer, and here I create a one file with the name of index.txt. So here you can write any JavaScript code, because TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, and any TypeScript code is a valid JavaScript code. So for that, first we create a variable with the name of norm, and we assign a value to this variable as a 10. 10 is a numeric value, and again we reassign a value and gave a string value to this num. So here I write num and give a value of honey. Honey is a string value, and you can see it gave an error. So I hover on it, and here you can see type string is not assignable to type number, because TypeScript is a static typing language. And when I hover on this knob, and you can see num type is a number. You can see num type is number. TypeScript is intelligent. When we assign a 10 value, it's automatically change the num variable type into a number. And in this time, we only store a number value in a num variable. We cannot store any string value in this num variable. So I comment this, and again I write num, and this time I assign a number value. For example, I assign a 50, and now you can see I cannot get any error. And one more thing here, you can also assign a type here like a number, and now this num variable have a type number. You can only store a number value in this variable. And now it's time to run this TypeScript file. For that, we convert this TypeScript file into a JavaScript file. For that, I go to a terminal, and here I simply write tsc and press enter. It converts this index.ts file into index.js file. When you have a multiple file and you convert all the file into a JavaScript file, you simply write tsc. But in second condition, when you have a multiple file but you can convert only a single file into a JavaScript file, you simply write tsc and press give a space, and next write a file name like index.ts and press enter. And here you can see it convert TypeScript file into a index.js file. Okay, so like that you convert this, and that's it. You have successfully set up a TypeScript project, written your first TypeScript code, and compile it to JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave any question or comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.